Hello everyone. Welcome to English for Life. Today, we'll explore vocabulary related to everyday activities. By the end of this video, you'll be able to describe daily routines more effectively and improve your English fluency. Let's dive right in. Morning routine.
Wake up. Wake up. Get up. Get up. Stretch. Stretch. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Wash face. Wash face. Take a shower. Take a shower. Shave. Shave. Get dressed. Get dressed. Make the bed. Make the bed. Eat breakfast. Eat breakfast. Prepare coffee or tea. Prepare coffee or tea. Pack a lunch. Pack a lunch. Read the newspaper. Read the newspaper. Check emails. Check emails. Review your schedule. Review your schedule.
Household chores.
Do the dishes. Do the dishes. Clean the house. Clean the house. Do laundry. Do laundry. Iron clothes. Iron clothes. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Cook dinner. Cook dinner. Set the table. Set the table. Water the plants. Water the plants. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Dust the furniture. Dust the furniture. Organize the closet. Organize the closet. Wash the car. Wash the car. Change the bed sheets. Change the bed sheets. Grocery shopping. Grocery shopping. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. Organize the pantry. Organize the pantry. Fix a leaky faucet. Fix a leaky faucet. Replace light bulbs. Replace light bulbs.
Work and study.
Commute. Commute. Attend meetings. Attend meetings. Do homework. Do homework. Write reports. Write reports. Make phone calls. Make phone calls. Send emails. Send emails. Take notes. Take notes. Study for exams. Study for exams. Participate in class. Participate in class. Brainstorm ideas. Brainstorm ideas. Collaborate with colleagues. Collaborate with colleagues. Submit assignments. Submit assignments. Present a project. Present a project.
Leisure and recreation.
Play sports. Play sports. Go for a walk. Go for a walk. Hang out with friends. Hang out with friends. Go shopping. Go shopping. Go to the movies. Go to the movies. Surf the internet. Surf the internet. Visit a museum. Visit a museum. Go to the park. Go to the park. Have a picnic. Have a picnic. Attend a concert. Attend a concert. Go camping. Go camping. Ride a bike. Ride a bike. Visit family. Visit family. Go fishing. Go fishing. Paint or draw. Paint or draw.
Evening routine.
Have dinner. Have dinner. Take a bath. Take a bath. Watch the news. Watch the news. Prepare for bed. Prepare for bed. Brush teeth. Brush teeth. Set an alarm. Set an alarm. Say good night. Say good night. Go to bed. Go to bed. Review the day. Review the day. Plan for tomorrow. Plan for tomorrow. Turn off the lights. Turn off the lights. Listen to music. Listen to music.
Miscellaneous activities.
Drive a car. Drive a car. Take public transport. Take public transport. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. Feed the pets. Feed the pets. Call a friend. Call a friend. Plan the day. Plan the day. Meditate. Meditate. Practice a hobby. Practice a hobby. Pay bills. Pay bills. Write a letter. Write a letter. Volunteer. Volunteer. Attend a class. Attend a class.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational content. See you next time.